If you want to leave your coat, it will be cold again. Oh.
Patrick, you're getting your ankle pants.
Okay. Pero no tengo acá. La media que usan las mujeres.
You ready to go horseback riding?
You how to turn. Hey, maybe you should be watching that. Nothing. Do nothing. Okay. Do nothing and relax.
Good horse. Good horse.
Yo.
So don't worry, we'll get it. We'll get.
Yeah, that horse was big enough for me.
Let go. You can let go of your reins for a second. I want you to hold it down. Look at the red bird. This is gorgeous. At the very end, it's steep for a little bit. You want to walk for or hike for? Ride horses for or hike for? What? No. Like, it's kind of like wunderbar. This is not even a cloud. This is garrua. Garrua is this. You see? Everything on the ground you're seeing right now, all the black, it's not really black, the dark gray, right, on the ground, is the 2005 eruption. That means there was vegetation, like in the middle, all the way to the rims on the ground until 2005. Forward now. Yeah, mine are. Because I remember. But we're going to see that from over there. We're going to look this way. And we're going to sit laughing. Come to me. Come to me.
It's a big photo op here.
Come to me. There. A little bit more. There. Oh, wait. Where are you going?
This is advanced horsemanship.
Good boy. Hey.
Yeah, very advanced. You're about 3 feet in. Don't pull back. Jade,
Right.
you're telling him to stop
Ah.
and go at the same time.
Right. That's confusing.
Okay, now turn around, Jade. Yep, left. Both of you, look at me. There. Beautiful. Good. Got it. That's it.
You did so good.
I'll talk
I was giving mixed messages.
Here comes Heather. Heather.
Just like a woman.
I'm pretty sure they're used to that.
There's Heather's fork. I am not in charge of the weather. I got you, Heather.
What's your horse's name?
Gemini.
Hemini.
Deb, get a picture of me
here.
with the horse.
Oh, you get a picture with you too. I want to see your face too, Patrick. There. Easy. That's a cute photo, huh?
That's nice.
That's nice.
Park.
Hello, take a photo of her. She's so cute.
I know your outfit is cute.
Annie Oakley.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful here.
Pick up like you
Nice
mean it.
done.
Pick up like you mean it. See, now that the other horses are there.
Like, not that hard.
Awesome.
Right?
Yeah, it just goes like galloping away.
Yeah, there's no way that is. Oh, he doesn't want to do.
He's like, I didn't want to do any of this.
Uy, estamos tarde.
Pretty much.
Estamos tarde.
All been against my will.
Pero, relaxing. Did you notice? The ears are relaxing? Okay. $5 off for what?
Dropping the camera.
No. Yeah. Turn the horse. There.
It's angry.
Nice. I know that doesn't sound very nice.
This is a pretty good
Excuse
picture.
my French.
All in a row.
Yep. the end result. It's so cold.
Chilly.
But it was a real range experience. We got to come in, there were actual cows out there. Came in the rain and the cold, and now it's time for some supper.